So here are the best AI prompts to humanize AI essay and text. You don't have to copy paste from ChatGPT without humanizing the text first. Otherwise, you will sound like an AI flop and turn people off because by now we already understand a lot, because by looking at the emojis, the M dashes, we understand that these things are AI generated like that, and we actually can humanize that. And here's the prompt, and I'm gonna help you understand. And the best part is you don't have to use any external tool to do this. There's a hack which we have been doing, and you don't have to pay for any tool. I'm also going to show you how you can actually save it in your ChatGPT, and you can actually create a customized GPT for yourself, because I have been doing it for a longer period of time, and I'm gonna share you my hack to understand that and to learn that and to do that with your ChatGPT. Stay till the end of the video because I'm gonna show you the exact hack. Let's dig in with the technicalities first. So I'm right now on an incognito mode, and where I have not logged in onto any ChatGPT, so it is treating me like a newbie right now. And I'm gonna just go ahead and ask it to write a LinkedIn post. So write a LinkedIn post talking about how N10 and AI agents are orchestrating the automation. And this is a generic, this is gonna give you a generic answer, which basic any LLM is gonna give you. Right now your LLM might be giving these answers, but that is how you can actually identify by looking at these emojis, these markdown format and everything, these M dashes, and being too dramatic over here. You can actually sense that these are all AI generated. But how do you humanize it is what we are gonna be understanding next. So I have a prompt which I'm gonna paste, and I'm just simply gonna copy the same prompt which I provided over here along with the prompt over here. And don't worry, this prompt will be available for you guys as usual below in the description box. But let's go ahead and see what changes it gives. So here you can see it has given us a plain text like a usual human would do, and here is clearly the comparison, the one where we haven't used the prompt, and here is the one where after using the prompt it has given us this kind of output for a LinkedIn post. And you can see it is adding a lot of irrelevant things, and you can actually sense these are AI generated. And with this kind of writing, you cannot actually sense this is AI generated. So that is how it has generated a LinkedIn post for us. And let's now go ahead and see what else we can use in this prompt. Help me generate a Twitter post talking about the perplexity outperformance in little time. So again, it is providing you the more of AI generated content, and you can clearly sense that these are AI generated. And again, I'm gonna open a new tab, and I'm gonna paste the prompt, and again copy the same prompt I provided over here just along with my prompt. Here it goes, and you'll see the difference now. You cannot sense that this is AI generated. It is, you might feel this is more of human generated. And here we can clearly see that this is more of AI content generated, and people would definitely gonna scroll up without looking at it. But here we can definitely give it a scroll stopping credits over here. And now let's move on to my ChatGPT, that how we can use this prompt forever and how I've been using it over here. So that we'll have to head over to my ChatGPT prompt guide, and let's go ahead. So this is my ChatGPT, and where I have actually gone onto the personalization option, and you can actually copy paste the same prompt which I have downloaded from the description box below, and the same prompt can be pasted in here, and you can see output difference it gives when you are actually generating any content from your LLM. And this is how I have been using it forever without actually manually pasting it each and every single time whenever I'm talking to my LLM. And that is the only hack which I have been using, and you can also do it into your LLM so that it can be personalized for your use cases. So go ahead and start using this prompt into your ChatGPT and unlock the most potential efficiency of your ChatGPT, and you'll see a huge lot of difference when you are getting the output after using this prompt.